algebra equation. Okay, so let's look at this example and we'll give you an explanation of all the terms in algebraic equation. So in an algebraic equation, let's say for instance let's have 5x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 10. So this is an equation. Why is it an equation? It's an equation because it has an equal to sign and also have an expression in the left hand side and a number at the right hand side. So for you to be able to identify an equation, you should be able to identify an equation when you have an equal to sign. For instance, let's say I have 2x plus 3. This is an algebra expression, not an equation. Why? Because there is no equal to sign here. So as long as there's a provision of equal to sign, let's say for instance equal to 7, so automatically this becomes an algebraic equation. Remember, algebraic deals with what? Letters and numbers, or what? The letters now is the variable, while the numbers attached to that particular letter is known as the what? The coefficients. So this is an example. Let's say, okay, so we now have this. We have 5x squared plus 2x minus 3 equal to 10. This is an example. So the 5 here represent what? Is the coefficient. Why is it the coefficient? It's the coefficient because it was attached to a variable x. It's attached to a variable x, which is the letter there. So also have what? This plus here is the operation. So this particular plus and this minus, they are both what? Operations. We'll call them the what? The operators or the operations. So let's say these are the operators. They are the operators. Why are they the operators? Because they are both signs present in this algebraic equation. Good. So we have another 2 here. This 2 here is also what? A coefficient. Why? Because it's attached close to what? A variable, which is x. Then we have an equal to sign here. I also have what? There are 2 constants here. The constants here are what? 3 and 10 are known as the what? Constants. Why are they constants? They don't have any variables or any letter attached to them, so that's why they're called a constant. Then we'll have the square here. This square here represents what? And what? Exponent. We'll call it what? Exponent. Why is it an exponent? Because it's what? A power that's what? Present in the what? In the what? In the variable. Are you following? So good. From this what particular equation, I'm able to explain to you the terms present in an algebraic equation. These are the terms what present in an algebraic equation. For you to be able to solve any algebraic equation, you should be able to tell us everything present in that particular equation. An algebraic equation what has what? Letters, numbers, operators, and an equal to sign represented in what? In the left hand and the right hand side. We have the 5x squared plus 2x minus 3 equal to 10. The 5 and the 2, they are both what? Coefficients. They are coefficient because they are attached close to what? A variable, which is what? The x. Then this x here is having a power of 2. Is what? The 2 there is known as what? The what? The exponent. X power 2 is known as what? Exponent. Because there's a power in that particular variable, which is the x. Then this particular 2 here is also what? Coefficient. Why? Because it's what? Attached to what? A variable, which is x. Then we'll have the plus and the minus sign here on the left hand side of this particular equation. They are both called the operators. Why are they the operators? Because they are what? They are just what? They are signs. So the operators can be what? Plus, minus, multiplication, and division. They are the what? The 4 operators that are what? Present in an algebraic equation. Then we'll have what? The equal to sign. So this equal to sign is very necessary. Why is it necessary? Because it will help us what? To be able to what? Identify the particular what? Algebra as an equation or maybe an expression. If it is an expression, it won't have any equal to sign. But once it's an equation, it have an equal to sign. So these particular numbers, the 3 and the 10 present here, these 3 and 10 present here, they are the constants. Why are they constant? They are not attached to any what? Variable. They don't have any letters attached to them. So that's why I call them what? Constants. So these are the words, the few basic terms present in an algebraic equation. Okay guys, so in our next class we'll be giving some few examples of algebraic equation and we'll be solving few examples. So don't forget to click on your notification button to get a notification anytime we have a post or questions coming up. See you soon. Bye.